So what session were you in for ISHI today?
I'm in the leadership.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And are you learning anything new about leadership? Any new skills? Any new ideas?
There's a lot of people around here that don't know what they're doing, so we're all learning a lot, I think.
Hey, that's a good idea. Yep.
No, I think in this industry, a lot of people get put into leadership roles maybe a bit prematurely, or without the skills that they need. So it's good to kind of get an idea of kind of where everyone else is at, and
sure.
You're not alone.
So are you in a leadership role in your laboratory?
Yes, I'm currently a supervisor in the DNA sex assault unit at our crime lab.
Okay. And where is that crime lab? Where are you?
It's
right here in town. Yeah, wow.
About 3 miles away. Yeah.
Interesting. So are you getting any good ideas on how to rein in the scientists under you there?
Yeah, I think there's a big, they put a big emphasis on cadence and learning just how to put normal things into routine, things to expect, whether they're good, bad, or otherwise, but it just kind of gives you an idea of how to plan out your day, how to plan out your week. Little breaks, little things for people to look forward to.
Yeah, super practical.
Right.
Nice.
It makes, coming to work easier.
Yeah, yep. So what kind of cases do you guys work on, and have you worked on any that you've solved recently with your DNA analysis?
We're constantly solving cases. A big part of our job is getting DNA profiles and putting them into a database.
Okay.
And every single day we're searching that database to see if we have any matches, and every single day we've got stuff coming out.
So these are from crime scenes. So you're taking that DNA and then creating a database of what you found, right? And then you check that against?
Anybody that's in the database, if they're if they've been convicted of a crime, they're in the database.
Okay. And have you ever had to be a part of a case in court?
Oh, absolutely.
Is that part of your job?
Mm-hmm.
How do you feel about that? How's the going to court part?
It's a little challenging because you never know what you're going to get. They want to ask you questions that are very difficult. They want to kind of undermine you as a scientist, as a professional. So that's challenging, but ultimately you know what you did. You're confident in your experience and your knowledge, so you just get up there and you put out the facts. So
and then you put them away. Oh, that's good. Sometimes, or exonerate them, right?
Exactly.
That happens too.
Right.
Excellent. Well, that was very nice. Thank you very much, Grant.
Absolutely, my pleasure.
Thanks for talking to me.